the 2014 Nissan Altima 2.5S. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Nissan features power steering, cruise control, and tilt wheel. Safety features include side airbags, traction control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, a CD player, and dual power seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Luther Nissan Kia of Inner Grove, a Carfax Advantage dealer.